Hello guys, welcome to the Quarantine Home Cook. So, andito pa rin tayo sa Boracay. And this is sa mga pinaka-paboritong desserts dito is yung Calamansi Muffin. I had it the other day and I thought I was inspired to create my own version of the Calamansi Muffin. Now, dito sa pinagstaya naming villa, walang muffin mold. So, instead of a muffin, I'll be making a loaf instead. Kasi nakakita ko ng aluminum foil loaf sa supermarket. So, for this vlog, we are going to make a Calamansi Olive Oil Loaf. Let's go. So, let's go over our ingredients for our Calamansi Olive Oil Loaf. So, we have here 1.5 cup ng all-purpose flour. We have 1.5 teaspoon ng baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon ng salt. We have 180 grams cocoa sugar. I'm using cocoa sugar here. We have olive oil. This is 120 ml extra virgin olive oil. We have calamansi juice. This is 60 ml calamansi juice. We have 2 lemons. We only need the lemon zest for the lemons. Of course, calamansi. We have melted butter. This is half ng stick na melted butter or 55 grams ng melted butter, 3 eggs, and we also need 240 ml ng coconut cream. Yung isang pack nito is 200 ml, so we need about 40 ml on the other pack ng coconut cream. Alright, so that's it. Very, very simple. Let's go ahead and start making our Calamansi Olive Oil Loaf. Let's go. So the first step is to preheat our oven. Ito yung mga manual na oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So, alright, so preheat natin siya for 180 degrees. Done. Alright, now let's make our Calamansi Olive Oil Loaf. First, add the flour. This is 1.5 cup. (210 grams ng flour. Next is our baking powder and salt. Next is our sugar. So, mix lang natin yan. Mix lang natin yan. Alright, and then we will set this aside. Next, yung ating mga wet ingredients. So, first we need the eggs. Let's do that. Start with the eggs. So, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so to that we are going to add the calamansi juice, olive oil, and coconut cream. One pack is 200, so we need a bit from here. Alright, so last we need the melted butter. And lemon zest. We need about 2 lemons para sa lemon zest. Alright, that's probably enough. Alright, so this one, i-mix lang natin siya. Alright, done. So we are now going to add this to our dry ingredient. I-add ko lang siya dito. Alright, so mix lang natin to. Dahan-dahan para hindi matapon. Alright, so this is ready. Ito yung consistency na hinahanap natin. I'm gonna set this aside for now. Next is i-grease natin yung ating aluminum foil. Container. Spread ko lang siya evenly. Alright, so now we can add our butter. Pwede na siguro yung dalawa. We don't need extra. So, dalawa lang gagawin natin for today. Alright, so we will bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. Let's go. Alright, so ito na yung ating oven na pinreheat natin. Pasok lang siya. Alright, so 40 to 45 minutes. So let's try our Calamansi Olive Oil Loaf. Yung ibabaw niya medyo crusty and then yung mismong loaf medyo soft. Visually, it looks darker than your usual, Calamansi Muffin because we use cocoa sugar here. Let's taste it. I added lemon zest on top. Okay. So kung na-try nyo na yung Calamansi Muffin, this is a lighter version. Also less sweeter version. It's super light. If you would like to add frosting on top, it's up to you, but I think it's a good idea. That's it. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today here in Boracay. Until next time. See you guys. Adios.